Wayne Thiebaud was an American artist known for his colorful paintings of common things like pies, cakes, and ice cream cones. This drawing lesson imitates one of his paintings titled 4 Ice Cream Cones. I'm happy to show you how to draw it, and then you can color it however you want. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. My favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. You only need a few supplies for this project: a sheet of drawing paper, a pencil, black marker, and some crayons. You can also find a link to a free step-by-step tutorial in the description below. And here's the part where I remind students that working with center pencil guidelines on your paper can really help you out. They're also on all my tutorials, and they help you see how to use the entire sheet of paper. Let's begin with what looks like a board the cones are going to sit in. Plan and draw the first horizontal line across your sheet of paper. Then go down a good inch or so and draw another long line the same way. And finally, add one more line a little lower for the edge of that board. Now we can plan where those 4 cones are going to go by drawing 4 curved lines. Let's start with the 2 middle ones first, and then add another on either side in the space left over. We can add the bottom of the cones now. They need to be centered just below each curved line and look like they line up with each other. If you're not sure what I meant when I said they should line up, this is what I'm looking at. Let's start with a cone on the left. It begins with 2 lines for the sides of the top part of the cone. Then the first scoop of ice cream is added. It's open at the top and can have some wiggly melting shapes near the bottom if you want. We can finish it off now with a roundish shape on top. Try to imagine what a slightly melted scoop of ice cream might look like. Then that line inside the cone needs to be erased because we wouldn't see that anymore. And a couple of edge lines inside will make the ice cream look a little more realistic. Finally, a few diagonal lines will give the cone itself some more texture. Okay, now all those steps can get repeated for the next cone. The sides are added and the open scoop shape on top. See if you can make these all look a little different from each other. The top ice cream scoop is added with some melting lines at the bottom. That inside board line gets erased again. And we can add some ice cream edge lines inside those scoops and finish with those diagonal lines on the cone itself. Okay, for the third cone, I'm just going to do all those steps again, starting with the sides, the open scoop of ice cream above it, the complete scoop of ice cream that goes on top of that, which has wavy lines near the bottom, the edge lines of the ice cream inside, and erasing that line inside the cone that we don't need anymore, and the curved texture lines on the cone itself. The last cone can be finished off now following those same steps. Please feel free though to create any other variations you might think of. Wayne Thiebaud made his cones look very similar to each other, but it might be fun to make yours all look different. It's up to you, it's your drawing. I do, however, highly recommend tracing your pencil line with a black marker before we color. It really makes those lines stand out. Before any coloring happens though, we do need to erase any pencil lines that are showing. Alright, my coloring is going to begin with brown for those cones. Then comes the ice cream color. I'm going to start with raspberry, but please feel free to use whatever colors you want. If you'd like to make your ice cream look a little more dimensional, then try adding a shadow on one side. Just press a little harder to make a darker color. My next cone is going to be lemon yellow and an orange one, mostly because I like that color. And finally, a pink one on the right. That board could be any color at all. I'm going to make mine purple because I haven't used that color yet. One easy way to give that board edge a shadow is to just press harder when you color it in. And then I've saved my favorite light blue for the background. And that is how you can draw ice cream cones like the artist Wayne Thiebaud. I like his idea of drawing multiples of something so that at first glance things look the same, but on closer inspection they're all a little bit different. When you visit my website, Art Projects for Kids, you can find many more easy food projects, including one for how to draw a cupcake and how to draw a donut. I'm happy that over the years my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. If you are watching this on YouTube, remember to like and subscribe to my channel. That way you get a notification whenever I post a new video.